Friends, we all chase money every single day. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself, what is more valuable, money or time? Most people will say money because with money you can buy everything, right? But let me share a story that proves time is far more precious than money. There was once a very successful businessman named Rajesh. He came from a small town with big dreams. He worked day and night, sacrificing his sleep, his health, and even his family time just to earn more and more money. Years passed, and Rajesh became one of the richest men in his city. He owned luxury cars, multiple houses, and a business empire. People envied him, thinking he had everything. But what no one knew was, Rajesh had no time for his parents, no time for his wife, and no time to watch his children grow up. Whenever his son wanted to play with him, Rajesh would say, "Not now, I'm busy. I'll have time later." Whenever his wife wanted to go on a vacation, he said, "Not now, maybe next year." Rajesh believed that once he earned enough money, he would finally enjoy life. But life had other plans. One day, he collapsed in his office. Doctors told him he had a severe heart condition and only a few months left to live. Lying on his hospital bed, Rajesh cried. He told the doctor, "I'll give you 10 crores, 50 crores, even all my wealth. Just give me more time." But the doctor replied, "I'm sorry, sir. No money can buy you even one extra second of life." That moment, Rajesh realized the truth. Money lost can be earned back, but time lost can never return. This story is not just about Rajesh, it's about all of us. True wealth is not money, but moments. Money can return, but time never does. Spend your time with family, on your dreams, and creating memories. Because in the end, we remember moments, not money. So, money is important, but time is life. Respect it, value it, and use it wisely. Because time, once gone, never comes back. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content.